You don't wake up early because you're lazy. You wake up late because your habits are stronger than your intentions. Every night you say, "Tomorrow I'll wake up early." But when the alarm rings, that promise disappears. The problem isn't motivation. It's your system. Your phone is next to your bed. Your bedtime is random. Your brain is overstimulated. So when morning comes, your body does what it was trained to do: stay in bed. People who wake up at 5 a.m. aren't special. They just built a better system. And today, I'll show you 5 steps to wake up early that actually work. Step 1. Win the night. Waking up early starts the night before. If you sleep late, mornings will always feel impossible. Set a shutdown time. 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Stop the scrolling. No social media. No endless videos. Slow your brain down. Because if you don't control your night, you can't control your morning. Step 2. Move your alarm. If your alarm is next to your pillow, you'll hit snooze. Put it across the room. When it rings, you must get out of bed to turn it off. Once your feet hit the floor, waking up becomes easier. No es no se. No negociación. Just move. Step 3. Have a reason. If nothing important waits for you in the morning, your bed will win. Waking up early just because others do it won't work. You need a real reason. A workout, a goal, a skill you're building. When your reason is strong, getting up becomes easier. Step 4. Wake up at the same time. Your body loves routine. But most people wake up at different times every day. That confuses your body and keeps you tired. Pick one wake-up time. Stick to it. Weekdays and weekends. Consistency trains your body clock. Step 5. Never miss twice. You will fail sometimes. One day you'll oversleep. That's okay. But never let it happen twice. Because the second miss turns into a habit. If you fail once, the next day you wake up no matter what. Discipline isn't perfection. It's refusing to quit. Control your nights, and your mornings will follow. And when you control your mornings, you start controlling your life. So tomorrow morning when the alarm rings, remember, that moment decides whether you grow or stay the same. If you're ready to wake up early, comment, "I'm ready."